Looking for the perfect window blinds in Dubai? Whether it's your cozy apartment, your dream villa, or your office workspace, Fixit Design brings you the most stylish, affordable, and customized blinds across the UAE. Stay tuned as we walk you through the latest trends, expert installation tips, and why thousands trust Fixit Design for window coverings in 2025. Section 1. Why blinds matter. Blinds aren't just for blocking sunlight. They add personality to your space, enhance privacy, and improve energy efficiency. Fixit Design offers blinds that not only look premium, but also perform from filtering out heat to reducing noise and preventing dust entry. Section 2. Huge variety of blinds with more than 15 years of experience. We offer a massive selection of blinds to suit every setting: Roman, roller, Venetian, vertical, honeycomb, blackout, and even motorized options. Whether you're going for bold, minimal, traditional, or modern, there's a perfect match waiting for you. Section 3. Custom-made blinds. Have a tricky window to cover? No problem. Our custom blinds are tailored to fit even the most challenging spaces: skylights, sliding doors, French windows, and more. You can choose everything: material, size, mount type, texture, color, and operating mechanism. Our specialists even create branded designs for offices. Section 4. Functional benefits. Our blinds are more than just eye candy. They insulate your rooms, reduce electricity bills by cutting down use, and help keep spaces dust-free and noise-free. Plus, their water and stain resistance means easy cleaning and minimal maintenance. Section 5. Installation services. Fixit Design doesn't just sell blinds, we install them too. Our expert technicians visit your location, take measurements, and complete same-day installation with guaranteed precision. We also offer blind removal, adjustment, and fitting services across Dubai, fast, affordable, and reliable. Section 6. Affordable prices and offers. Looking for cheap blinds in Dubai that don't look cheap? Fixit Design is your solution. Our blinds are built to last, no need for constant replacements, repairs, or upgrades. And with our seasonal offers and bulk discounts, now's the best time to buy. Section 7. Ideal for every setting. From high-rise apartments and private villas to hospitals, schools, and corporate offices, our blinds serve every type of client and location. We understand each space is different, and that's why we personalize every solution. Ready to upgrade your space? Explore our collection online or visit our store today. Call us now for free consultation, free samples, or to book your same-day installation. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to Fixit Design, and ring the bell icon for more updates on interior innovations in Dubai. Fixit Design, Dubai's trusted name for elegant, functional, and affordable blinds.